Just got here at Grasmere village. Gonna try and walk up to Silver Howe. Just following this path. Nice views at the moment. Not sure how long it's going to take to get there. Well, I've got to this part now. Now let's start the trail. This is where I made a mistake and turned right instead of going left. Red squirrel. First one I've ever seen. Can you see the red squirrel? Not many of them about in the UK now. Across this stone bridge thing, whatever you want to call it, stepping stone. Just to update you, I haven't got a clue where I am. I think I'm heading to Goody Bridge, I think that's the name of it. I'm supposed to be going to Silver House. I should have brought a map with me. You follow the signpost and then it just stops. So I'm going to keep going down this path and see where it takes me. I've just spotted another red squirrel. Right. I'll see what it's like when I get to the bridge. Just come to this signpost. I'll either go there or Eastdale Tarn. I might go this way along the bridge. Another update. I've just spoken to someone. They've got their map out and I am nowhere near Silver House, so I'm going to go to Easedale Tarn, I think it's called. It's where they're heading to. So, change of plan. Anyway, they said it's a nice place, so I'm gonna head that way. Have a look at the views. Just in the distance there is a waterfall. You're not going to see it much on this camera. Where I'm heading, Eastdale Tarn. I'm just following them other two people. Who got his map out and showed me I'm in the wrong place. Through another gate. The way to that little waterfall thing. Keep walking up and up the hill. Nice view from up here. Still a long way to go up. To walk through, waterfall through them trees. Oh, getting hot. Oh. up this hill. Let's see this tarn. Lake, whatever it is. Oh, there's the waterfall there. Where they go? Right along there and up that way there. I'm nearly there. I'm nearly there. I hope. Get to the top of the waterfall now. Goes all the way down there. There's the top of the waterfall. Make it this far. Just leaving Sour Milk Waterfall. Heading up to the Tarn now, if I can find it. Getting higher and higher up in the air. Whew. Bloody hell. This is the furthest I've ever walked, I think. The highest I've ever walked up. Anyway, it's worth it for the views. Don't forget, if you like this video, give us a like and put a comment in the box below if you want. Just spoke to a couple. They said I'm really close to Eastdale Tarn. It ain't that easy. Jesus. Then I go back down the other way. Over there, look. I go all the way down there. Somewhere that way. I have made it. Here it is. And all this way up for this. I'll end my video here. Hope you enjoyed the video. I've got a long hike back now to Grasmere car park.